Easy exercise to increase stamina at home. 1. Pedal exercise. Pedal exercise are also known as mini exercise bikes because they resemble the crank pedals of traditional bicycles. The mini exercise bike works best for many people as when you pedal on an exercise bike, you can gradually increase the tension that gives you resistance, helps you to tone and strengthen arms and legs better. Pedal exercise can provide a moderate cardiovascular workout which improves your overall blood circulation too. It can also improve your body coordination, range of motion and works on both upper and lower body muscle strength. 2. Plyometrics. Plyometrics, also known as jump training or plyos, originally developed for Olympic athletes, now gaining importance as a daily workout routine for people of all ages, including children and adults. Plyometric exercise conditions the body with dynamic resistance exercises that involve rapidly stretching of muscle, eccentric phase, and then rapidly shortening phase, concentric phase. Hopping and jumping exercises are examples of plyometric that helps to strengthen muscles, increase vertical jump and reduce force of impact on the joints. 3. Weight training. Weight training is an important part of any fitness program. It is a type of strength training which helps in developing the strength and skeletal muscles. This type of exercise uses weight force of gravity in the form of weighted bars, dumbbells, and weight stacks to oppose the force generated by muscles through concentric or eccentric contraction. Weight training uses a specialized equipment that targets specific muscles of the body. Combined with aerobic exercise, weight training can boost your strength, tone your muscle and help to lose weight. 4. Swimming. Swimming is a very good aerobic exercise. As water provides 12 to 14% resistance as compared to air, it helps to tone the muscle without the need to use weights. Swimming exercise also enhance joint flexibility especially in shoulders, hips, and around neck. Swimming is a good muscle building exercise because the water provides resistance that make muscles work harder. This exercise relaxes muscles, increases flexibility, and enables stretching. When combined with healthy diet, regular swimming exercise helps to lose weight faster than other activities, giving you firm, lean and defined body.